Hello, good morning. Today is just a work day, and by that I know that I'm incredibly lucky because I get to work full time as an artist. But I thought that you might want to see kind of what happens in part of my day. So I've got a few things to organize today. I have a watercolor Wednesday coming up next week, and I want to do all the prep for that and kind of think about problem solving for my students to make sure that I teach it really well. And then I also have some pendants I have to finish off because I'm running a 12 days of Artmas sales event over at Art by Anna Marie. I'll leave the links to those two things down in the comments, but spend a few minutes with me today and I will condense the day into a bite-sized little chunk for you, and we'll see what we get done together. the other thing I've been doing is working on this set of 4 paintings. Now, I've been working on this for a really long time. There's actually over 4 paintings, but only 4 of them are done. And one of the things I've been thinking about for this painting series is mindfulness, in that every single time somebody learns to paint, I'll ask them, what is it that made you want to start painting? And then also, what is it you get from painting? And when you first kind of start out, you often think that people want to start painting to make awesome paintings, which is also true because we love the feeling of having an awesome painting. But 9 times out of 10, what my students say to me is that painting actually helps them calm down, helps them feel relaxed, and is just such a great thing for your brain. And so that's been percolating away in my brain because, you know, I've set up the Art Skill Academy, and it teaches the skills you need to paint. But there's not really been a side section of that just for mindful painting, you know, that kind of painting that you do when you just get your paints out and there's no pressure. So what I've been doing is working on a set of paintings for my students where they can have the outline and they can have the lesson on how to apply the paint. But really, the painting is just about being in the moment and being mindful and being present and having that ability to do those sorts of things. So I'm super excited with that today. Tomorrow, actually, by the time you see this, it will probably be yesterday. But tomorrow I'm going to be releasing that little set of lessons for everybody, so you can check that out. I'll put a link in the comments down below, so you're kind of the first people to see it, though you will be the last people to see it tomorrow. But they're just so super sweet. They're little mindful activities, a very simple color palette, perfect for beginners, but a little bit interesting as well. And I just thought that I would share that with you. But I need to crack on because these are getting released at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and I have 7 other things to do on my to-do list. So let's get editing those lessons. How does that work?
Goes in the side.
Oh.